Packet filtering principles. In this lecture, we will use queries to filter packets. As mentioned earlier, there are two types of filters in Wireshark. While both use similar syntax, they are used for different purposes. Let's remember the difference between these two categories. Capture filters. This type of filter is used to save only a specific part of the traffic. It is set before capturing traffic and not changeable during the capture. Display filters. This type of filter is used to investigate packets by reducing the number of visible packets, and it is changeable during the capture. Note, you cannot use the display filter expressions for capturing traffic. The typical use case is capturing everything and filtering the packets according to the event of interest. Only experienced professionals use capture filters and sniffing traffic. This is why Wireshark supports more protocol types in display filters. Please ensure you thoroughly learn how to use capture filters before using them in a live environment. Remember, you cannot capture the event of interest if your capture filter is not matching the specific traffic pattern you are looking for. Capture filter syntax. These filters use byte offsets, hex values, and masks with Boolean operators, and it is not easy to predict the filter's purpose at first glance. The base syntax is explained below. Scope: host, net, port, and port range. Direction: SRC, DST, SIC, or DST, SRC, and DST. Protocol: either WAN IP, IP6, AREP, RARP, TCP, and UDP. Sample filter to capture port 80 traffic. TCP, port 80. A quick reference is available under the Capture Filters menu. Display filter syntax. This is Wireshark's most powerful feature. It supports 3,000 protocols and allows conducting packet-level searches under the protocol breakdown. The official display filter reference provides all supported protocols breakdown for filtering. Sample filter to capture port 80 traffic. DCP.port equals 80. Now let's understand the fundamentals of the display filter operations. A quick reference is available under the Analyze. Display filters menu. Comparison operators. You can create display filters by using different comparison operators to find the event of interest. The primary operators are shown in the table. Description: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Note, Wireshark supports decimal and hexadecimal values in filtering. You can use any format you want according to the search you will conduct. Logical expressions. Wireshark supports Boolean syntax. You can create display filters by using logical operators. Description: logical and, logical or, logical not. Packet filter toolbar. The filter toolbar is where you create and apply your display filters. It is a smart toolbar that helps you create valid display filters with ease. Before starting to filter packets, here are a few tips. Packet filters are defined in lowercase. Packet filters have an autocomplete feature to break down protocol details, and each detail is represented by a dot. Packet filters have a three-color representation explained: green, valid filter; invalid filter. Yellow, warning filter. This filter works, but it is unreliable, and it is suggested to change it with a valid filter.